Orbital sanders are primarily wood smoothing tools. But they do a lot more than just that, and in the process become a versatile workshop staple. Use these power tools to strip paint or sand the gloss off a painted surface to prepare it for the next coat. The tool strips rust, cleans up flea market finds, and acts as a power file to take the sharp edge off a freshly cut piece of metal. 1. Bosch Random Orbital Sander. The Bosch ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander is a powerful tool with its 2.5 amp motor, delivering smooth finishes effortlessly. Its ergonomic design and efficient dust collection make it user-friendly. The versatility and precision of this sander make it a top choice for woodworking enthusiasts. The ROS 20 VSC is comfortable, sands fast, and has the best dust collection of the corded sanders we tested. Because its dust control is so good, less dust stays on the surface to get ground into the abrasive pad. That means the pad stays cleaner and lasts longer. Its speed control dial is behind the handle. You can get at it easily, but it's possible to accidentally bump it out of position. The sanded surface it left was very nice, a hair less smooth than the Milwaukee 6034-21s below, but still of exceptional quality. 2. DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit. The DeWalt Orbital Sander is one of our top performers. It crushed its competition in terms of speed, removing the paint from a board. It is comfortable to hold in multiple positions, and its dust collection system does a decent job, particularly when connected to a shop vac. This is a great sander to pick up for personal use. There are only two small knocks against it. First, the DeWalt can only operate at a single speed. This certainly isn't a deal-breaker, as I run my sander at top speed 99% of the time anyway. However, the second, larger issue is that the same power that made such short work of the painted board makes this sander a bit difficult to control. Its control issues aren't such that I recommend against buying it. This is a powerful random orbital sander that offers impressive performance. 3. Black & Decker Orbital Sander. This 5-inch sander comes with a 20 volts 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a detachable dust collection system. It weighs just over 3 pounds, and it features a molded rubber grip for comfort and fatigue reduction. The Black & Decker Random Orbital Sander utilizes hook and loop sanding discs, allowing users to quickly replace a worn disc. While it's just a one-speed sander, quick swapping sanding discs does allow users to dial in the rate at which they're removing finish or sanding the surface. For the price, we found it very hard not to like the Black & Decker 20-volt sander. It might be slightly underpowered and the dust collection bag is a bit underwhelming, but everything else is spot on. The grip is comfortable and it has just the right amount of size and weight. It was one of the most comfortable models to use in the vertical sanding test for those reasons. 4. Chicago Pneumatic Random Orbital Sander. The Chicago Pneumatic CP7200S Mini Random Orbital Sander makes it easy to sand in tight spots. This single-speed mini sander features a molded rubber trigger grip and weighs just 1.5 pounds. It is air-powered, meaning a compressor is necessary to run it, but it can run at speeds up to 15,000 OPM. Designed for small areas, the Chicago Sander comes with interchangeable 2-inch and 3-inch backing pads and 60 sandpaper discs. It also features a pistol-style grip. First, the pistol grip was very comfortable. And, since it's so lightweight, it was easy to use for extended periods of time, even vertically. Swapping between 2-inch and 3-inch pads is very easy, as are speed changes thanks to the dial on the back of the sander. 5. Porter Cable Random Orbital Sander. Porter Cable sander is lightweight and capable, making it a good choice for ladder-based work. You should have no problem holding it overhead as you smooth scraped paint. But before going up that ladder, beware. It's easy to think that the little plastic finger that locks the dust canister in place is engaged when it's not. If you're not paying attention, that can result in a dust spill that will make a mess out of you and the work area.